Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm currently filming on my phone because my camera wasn't charged, which is very convenient, right? So my camera wasn't charged, but today's gonna be a good day. So basically, y'all are gonna follow me for my day in the life. I have a couple errands to run, but first I'm just gonna be styling my hair so that I can be ready to leave, and then I'll go through my to-do list with y'all, and y'all can come with me today. So I do have in the extensions that I had in my last video, but I haven't like really been taking care of them because I've been working. But I've been working and I haven't really like had time to style my hair that much. So they're not up to par. Alright, y'all, so my hair is done. I had to take a quick break because I'm hungry. I didn't eat breakfast today. And I had this queso and chips left over from Chipotle yesterday, and it's so good. Anyways, I told y'all I was going to basically be going through my to-do list for today, and y'all was going to come with me. So the first thing that I have to do is go to the grocery store. I think I'm just going to go to Wegmans, but I don't know. Honestly, like I might still go to Giant, but it's going to be one or the other. I am making some chicken ramen. It's going to be my first time making it, but I'm still going to record it because I feel like it's going to come out really good. I'm really good at like following recipes. All you have to do is read it. So saying that, I will be cooking the ramen. That's gonna be like another video, a cook with me video. I do need to get some stuff to make my iced lattes so I can show y'all how I make them at home, because I'm trying not to eat out as much, like I was just telling y'all, especially at work. Like I don't work with food, if that makes sense. So like there's no food at my job. I have to buy food every time I'm there, which is a waste of money. So I'm gonna try to find some stuff that I can pack for my lunch, and I'm gonna try to start making my own coffees at home. I also have to do some laundry. I'm probably going to just hurry up and do that before I leave. I need to go to the UPS store to return my Amazon package. And then I'm also going to see if they can ship something for me as well, so I don't have to go to a post office, because I feel like that would be a waste of time. And then I have to go to the pet store after that, because I told y'all how my fish died. So I have to go return that fish and then get a new fish, and that's it. So I do have like a good amount of stuff to do today. So I'm about to finish up my chips. And then after that, I'll record when I'm in the car. But I might stop at Dunkin' and then I'll be on my way to the grocery store.
Trust in you. What will you do?
So I'm currently in the car. I just stopped at Dunkin', and oh my gosh, y'all, I literally got what's that thing called? I don't know what it's called, but like a phone holder or something for the car, so that I don't have to hold my phone, or so that I don't have to try to stand it up on my steering wheel, because that's a bit complicated. But this is what I got today. I got a caramel frozen coffee. Yep, it's good. But I got a caramel frozen coffee. But like I was saying, why would they put a Dunkin' Donuts this close to my house? Because now it's like I have to stop there everywhere I go. Literally, I cannot get on the Beltway without passing Dunkin' Donuts. I can't go anywhere. So it's like, do I really have a choice but to stop there? I don't think I do. But I'm about to go to Wegmans now. I just had to stop and get that really quick. And I'm trying to make sure I have everything on my grocery list. I made a list so that I wouldn't forget anything, and I think I do. The only thing, I'm not going to get the meat today because I'm not sure when I'm going to make it, and I don't want the meat to go bad. Plus, I didn't check our deep freezer, and 9 times out of 10 we already have some type of ground meat. So if we don't have ground chicken, then I'll use ground beef, and that's fine. But yeah, I think I have everything else on there. So I'm about to drive myself to the grocery store because I have been procrastinating. And once I get to the grocery store, I'll start vlogging again if I can. I don't know. If it's not crowded in there, then I'll vlog. If it's crowded, then I might have to wait. But yeah, I might do like a grocery store haul too, like what I got. It depends how long all of this takes because I have other places to go, so we'll see. But I'll see y'all once I get to the grocery store. Bye. Yo, this stuff is expensive. The caramel, $7. I just got some vanilla syrup, which is like $8. Then should I get the white chocolate? Have cookies and cream. Okay, so I just got from the grocery store. I'm tired. But now I'm about to go to the UPS store because it's close to here. Hopefully I can mail my letter so I don't have to go to multiple stores. Then I have to go to PetSmart and then I'll be on my way home. But I did really good with timing. I just got a message from my part-time job. But yeah, I did really good with timing. I wasn't really able to film myself in there that much because honestly I was trying to hurry up. And there was a lot of people in there. There was a lot going on. It wasn't like a very peaceful environment. So maybe if I would have went like a little bit earlier in the morning, I would have been able to record myself more. But yeah. So I'll see y'all once I get to the UPS store. I don't know if I'm going to vlog there or not. I might not, I don't know. But I'll see y'all whenever I start recording again. Well, I'm at PetSmart now. I'm trying to get a fish. I'm waiting for the people. And I'm looking now, like the fish that they have look like the ones that I had that died. So we're gonna see. These are like the ones that I want. The angelfish. These.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't.
This is the caramel sauce that I use. It's the Torani caramel syrup. I like this one a lot, but if I didn't have Torani, I would use the Gardelli. That one's good too. So this is the milk frother that we have, and then I only drink skim milk, or I prefer to only drink skim milk in there. I'm spilling it a little bit because I'm trying to record. And then I'm also going to put some creamer in there as well. And I'm just using this just so it can kind of be sweet and doesn't taste like just milk. Then you just put the top on there, and the machine frosts it yourself. I think you have to hold it, yep, for cold. And when it's blue, that's how you know it's cold. If it's red, it's hot. And now it's just wrapping it.
Option due to unusual rain and thunder. Baby, I wonder. Baby, I wonder. Would you put your sweats on for me? I got the plan, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Let me tell you guys how this morning went. So I've been vlogging all day because I've been trying to get my content, and guess what? Everything that I recorded was in slow motion, so I'm restarting everything over. The lady did let me record my massage, so that's good, and I was already going to speed that up, so that content is fine. It's okay, we're going to start fresh. I'm still going to have a positive mindset because my day isn't over yet, so it's literally okay. And yeah, I'm just trying to recuperate from that. I'm going to be late to my nail appointment because I took a nap. So basically what happened was I got home from my massage appointment, and then I was like super relaxed, about to look through my footage just to like look through everything that I've gotten already. Next thing you know, everything is in slow motion. I'm like, wow. So if you're going to get a camera, make sure you know how to use it, because literally, I guess it's my fault for not learning how to properly use the camera. All I know how to do is press record, and that's it. So I'm still learning, but it's okay. Like I said, we're going to start fresh with that content. I am about to hurry up because, one, I still don't have... Well, I have one, but I still forgot to set up my little camera holder in the car. So I have to hurry up. My appointment's in about 10 minutes, and I'm 22 minutes away from her. So, saying that, I'm about to hurry up and go to my nail appointment. I will see y'all when I get there, okay?
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I